Jesus, please help me calm down and make a very good video. Keep me safe while riding. Thank you for keeping me safe when I hit that bump back there. Because I was like, I'm gonna do some more riding. I'm better make, woo! Oh my God. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be going over what's been going on for the past 2 weeks and why I haven't been releasing a video. So long story short, I've been passing out and becoming unconscious occasionally. So at first I thought it was just due to my asthma, because I'd be really short of breath right before I'd pass out. But I got taken to the emergency room and I had all these tests done on me. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with me. So I am currently on a heart monitor that I have to wear for the next 27 days. I've been wearing it for 3 days now. And so far the heart monitor has been going off pretty much non-stop, recording events, auto-recording events. When I feel chest pain or when I feel like I'm about to pass out, it's signaling that something's going on in my heart that it shouldn't happen or is kind of suspicious. So yeah, that's been going on, which has really prevented me from riding. I also got some new monster fairings put on the bike. I'll show you a little clip of them right now. It's not going to be a full review, but this is what the monster fairings look like. The paint is so nice. The fairings are super thick, and the gaps, the old one had a pretty big gap right here. This one doesn't have any gap at all right here. This one right here I gotta work on a little bit, because there is no gap right here, but there's quite a big gap right here, so I'm not too happy with that. But overall fitment, they went on a lot easier than the eBay fairings. This kit did come with the windscreen, but I decided not to put that one on because I already ordered the zero gravity one, and I'm trying to get used to it. It's a little bit different in the way that the wind comes off of it, but I might go back to the one that came with the kit, because like everything else in the kit, the windscreen was extremely thick and seemed extremely durable. I think the monster fairings uses a higher quality plastic to make them. So this is a little bit of what I got out of these fairings so far. I'll do a full review later. Let's get back. And after that, I went down to DeWitt to see my best friend Keith. He's like a little brother to me. Yeah, I've made these new stickers and put them on my magic brownies. I'm going to give them out to some buddies. Oh, shit. No pups. You can't have some magic brownies. You guys will get up. There you go, man. Dude, it's not gay. It's just homosexual.
I'm not homo sapien.
Oh, shit. What? I don't know what you're saying, man. What's up, pup? What's up, pup? What's up, pup? Hey, that's not for you. That's not for you, Stella. That's not for you, Stella, or you, Tesla. So I got new stickers that I'm giving out. You know, I bought about 50 of these stickers that I'm just handing out to people with my YouTube channel on it. And I'm putting them on a magic brownie. So if you want a magic brownie, I can give one to you with a sticker on it, or I can just give you a sticker. Then we went into his backyard and played with the dogs for a bit, which I barely did any exercise, and I started getting short of breath, as you can see here. Did you just kick yourself in the face? I just realized you're wearing Crocs. Do you have them in 4-wheel drive? No, that's no problem. Oh, damn, dude. Hey, Mom. You want to see something cool?
Yeah? What is that?
Ah,
That are going or something?
yeah. You can hear it in my voice. You can hear the hard time breathing. And I did lift up my shirt to show his mom the heart monitor that I'm wearing. But yeah, so after that I went down to Cedar Rapids and I got this bike dyno tuned. So before any of the extra mods that I put on it, it was putting out 161 horsepower to the rear wheel. The rule of thumb is, or at least the guy that was dynoing my bike told me, is it puts out 20% more horsepower to the crank than it does to the wheel. So 161, I'm not that good at math that I can just do it on the fly, but that's quite a bit of horsepower. So after I got the Canon air filter and the power commander put on the bike, granted I still have a stock header and a stock catalytic converter, so those really decreased the airflow out. It dynoed in at 170.3 horsepower to the rear wheel, so it's good. It's not the best. If I would go with the full exhaust, it would run a lot better, but I'm pretty happy with it, you know. So one thing that I got rid of, that power commander, is the pop and crackle that it used to do when I let off the throttle and it would start engine braking a little bit. It would pop and crackle. So I went down to the dealership, had all that done. Then I did some test rides of a 300, a Ninja 300, and a Honda CB 500F. I did really like riding the bikes quite a bit though. It was an awesome experience to have. I'm super grateful for the people down in McGrath Power Sports in Cedar Rapids for the dyno tune and everything else. So what I left out is from doing burnouts. Most of these were unintentional burnouts. I was just getting familiar with the power of the bike, and I learned to respect it a lot after this. But from doing burnouts like this one, that probably wasn't me. That probably wasn't me. This right here is me though. I had a squared off tire. So what that means is the center tread was worn down to the point where it was pretty much squared off, and there was a ridge line between the center and the side walls of the tire. So that could be why I was having such a hard time handling it. But yeah, I got new tires. I got some Q3 pluses. The only bad thing about these tires is they are some super sport tires, really meant for hitting up the twisties, but they only are rated to last for about 5,000 miles. So they're probably gonna wear out a lot quicker than my other ones did. So I got to be really careful not to do any burnouts. Whew. Man. So I just got a few new subscribers, and if you guys didn't see my thank you video, if you weren't inside of there, inside of the appreciation video, I'm just going to be tagging it on to the end of my videos from now on. So one person that I want to thank is J-Day Motovlog. So I'm not sure if I got the YouTube channel correct, but he's from the Philippines. Great guy. Go check out his channel. He's really into giving to people that are in need. He's given food to countless people that absolutely need it in the Philippines, that are without homes and without sources of income. So a great guy, and he ends up tying that into his motovlogs, just giving out food to people that need it. So great guy. Thank you, J-Day Motovlog, for subscribing. Next person I want to thank is Chris You're awesome, man. We were just talking the other night when I was in Cedar Rapids, and you subscribed to my channel. I subscribe back like I always do to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate talking to you, even though I was extremely tired the night before I was about to get this dynoed. But yeah, thanks, man. And then next person, Luke Johnson Entertainment. So Luke, I just met you on the way down to Cedar Rapids. Unfortunately, the video was deleted on accident, so I don't have any of that footage that I got on the way down there or on the way back anymore. But yeah, man, awesome channel. Keep it up. Thanks for subscribing. So thank you guys all for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, because my goal is to make $2.50 off of YouTube. So how I would do that is I have to monetize. So there's some rules that YouTube has in order for you to monetize. First rule is you have to have 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 30 something right now. So if you guys could help me out, that would be awesome. You don't even have to turn your notifications on. But I need 1,000 subscribers. I need one video with at least 1,000 views on it. And then I also need 10,000 hours worth of content viewed. So those are all the requisites for getting monetized, and my goal is to make $2.50. I'm gonna put that up on the wall for my YouTube income. So please help me reach my goal, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys. Bye.